In this tutorial, you'll learn how to cut a section from a video using Clipchamp's powerful timeline tools. First, select your desired video file in the My Media panel, then zoom in on the timeline for a clearer, more detailed view of your clip. If you need a broader view of your project, adjust the timeline zoom out and select the video clip directly from the timeline to get it ready for editing. Next, move the playhead to your chosen cut point and make sure the clip is selected, or choose a different media asset from your library if necessary. Adjust the position of the video by dragging it within the timeline, then precisely place the playhead at the spot where you want to split the clip. Now use the split tool to cut your video at the playhead for an accurate edit, and confirm the split at the selected position. After splitting, drag the edge of the clip to trim away unwanted sections, creating a new start or end point. Then move the playhead as needed to review your changes. Select other media clips from your library to continue editing or add more content to your project. Add notes or text outside of Clipchamp if you'd like to plan edits or keep track of updates. Finally, use the Add Text button above your video track to add titles or captions to your edit, making your video more engaging and informative. You've just learned how to cut and trim video clips in Clipchamp. Happy editing!